Hey, finally a video blog after a pretty long time because nothing interesting came by. So I thought let me make a video blog this time. Guess what? I'm driving an Isuzu Vcross. Simple machine. I like it. It makes you, feel good when you're driving a dual cab. Uh, of course, dual cab with a sunroof. Belongs to a friend, business friend, and it came to me for some suspension rebuild. This is the first Vcross we're doing, so I'm a little excited about it. So I'm gonna share pictures of the rebuild, of course. Stay tuned for the coming pictures that upcoming pictures that I'm gonna share. So let's see how it goes. It's a good machine, but it's just like a Vigo Tiger or Hilux Vigo Tiger or like a Ford L200. It's good. It's a good utility vehicle, but honestly, I'll be very honest. What it lacks, I think it lacks the power if I compare it with a Fortuner. Fortuner has more power, I think, and I'm thinking about people who are putting bigger tires on this machine. How are they coming up with that? I think if you put up a Dmax engine, if you do an engine swap of a Dmax, which is about like 3-liter engine, I guess. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think this machine will become unstoppable. It's pretty stable. Pretty stable to drive even on a high speed. I haven't driven it for more than 80-90, but I feel it's pretty stable. It's not lifted much. I think it has a 2-inch lift kit, not done by me, but by the owner himself. So pretty good machine. Time to go. I think the signal is green, so I have to cut it off. Anyway, stay tuned for more video blogs. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.